What up, everybody? So there is one thing about Google Pixels that tends to piss me off about them compared to any other device that I use. And, you know, it's not the software version of Android. It's not audio. It's not camera. It's not any of those things. Believe it or not. It's something that not a lot of people will talk about. Not a lot of people will say or make mention of or any of that sorts. You know, it has to do with build quality. But let me show you guys what I mean. Let's head back to the house and I'll show you exactly what I mean. Alright, so let me go ahead and power off these devices here, because in order for me to show you guys, I need to have them turned off. So let's do that real quick. And I'm using the Nothing Phone 1 as a reference. And those are them right there. That's what annoys me about Google Pixels, is the SIM tray. This little tiny thing right here. It is easy to bend and easy to break. As you guys can see, this one is a black one. Let me show you guys, but the original SIM tray that came with my Pixel 8a, this is the cover. Sorry, it's hard to focus. As you guys can see, it broke. So I had to get a replacement, and the only one that I can find on Amazon was one for the obsidian color. Now, if I was to look at the Nothing Phone 1 SIM tray, it is sturdier, stronger than what is on my Google Pixel 8a. But for those who would sit there and say, okay, well, you know, it's the A series device, so it's more than likely, just because it's, you know, a mid-range device, and that's furthest from it, because even the flagship Pixels have the same type of SIM tray, which is absolutely annoying when dealing with, you know, if you have to swap SIMs, change, you know, the SIM card out for any reason. And I don't know if this is like a tactic to push towards, you know, eSIM or whatever. But at the end of the day, some people prefer physical SIM. And that's what is absolutely annoying, is having to worry about breaking that SIM tray. As you guys can see, you know, since I have the replacement SIM tray, you definitely can tell where it's at. Obviously, it is, the obsidian color. So anyways, that's the thing that really annoys me about Google Pixels, is their SIM tray. And I do think they need to start using a more sturdier, more rugged SIM tray. That way you don't have to worry about breaking those things, because they are a pain in the butt to, you know, try to get replaced. Let me know what your guys' thoughts are. If you guys agree with me or disagree with me, tell me why in the comments, and I'll talk to y'all later. Thanks for checking out this quick little video. Peace.